Hello, so today I have a Christmas project for you using the Cricut, and I'm gonna decorate this plate. It is from Primark in the UK. It is only £2 and I thought it was quite nice. I don't know how much you can tell. It's got a pretty nice texture on it, and I thought it would be cute as a little display plate at Christmas. And I did put this out on my Instagram page, stories I should say, to ask which colour you all wanted to see it in, because I had silver. It's just plain silver, yeah, permanent glossy silver from Cricut, or I had this gold textured vinyl, and the gold won out. So we'll see. I think I've got to say my personal favourite would have been the gold. So the light is very yellowy, so it's not making that gold look nice, but it is pretty. It's a pretty gold. So yeah, I've got a really cute saying that I want to put on there, and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so I am in Cricut Design Space. I've opened a new project. The next thing I need to do is just click this upload button down here, and I've already uploaded this file from Design Bundles, so it's not a Cricut file. I'm going to insert the image, and I know that I want to make this 7 in width, so I'll make that 8 in height, which is perfect. Let's try that again. Perfect. So now I just need to scoot that up a little bit and select all. Then I'm going to come down here and click this paperclip attach button, otherwise it will just print everything, all of the symbols, everything, all of the squirrely bits, all of the letters everywhere rather than in one design, and we don't want that. So then we click make it. I don't need to mirror it because it is not heat transfer vinyl. Click continue. So I'm just going to browse all materials because I've not used this one before. So I'm just going to narrow down my selections by going down here to click vinyl, and then I need premium metallic, textured metallic. This is the one. So let me just favourite that so that it's there for next time. And then I'm ready to cut. So I will see you when it's all cut. Okay, so it's all cut. You can't see anything at this stage, but I just wanted to show you that it's all cut. I don't know if the camera will pick any of that up, but it's all done. So I will see you back when I have weeded it. Okay, so this is what it looks like, fully weeded. Hopefully you can get a bit more of the texture now. Still got that weird yellow light. Apologise for the lighting. But yeah, it's really pretty. I really like the way it turned out. I would say this textured vinyl, I wouldn't necessarily use that as your first vinyl project. It is slightly more tricky to weed. It just feels a bit less forgiving. I mean, it's still weeded perfectly well, but I just wouldn't necessarily suggest it as your first one. That's just my personal opinion. So I've cut my transfer tape to pretty much the same size, and that's how we're going to get it onto the plate. Let's peel that away. Oops, I've got some sellotape on there, so I'm on the end of my roll. to adhere to the transfer tape now. See how we're doing. Where my little scrapey thing is. Technical term. I'm fully transferred now. This is all the sticky, and then that is on the other side. Let's bring in my plate. My plate's completely clean. I want to just use some rubbing alcohol or alcohol wipe on there, and then it's just a matter of the exciting bit. Just lay that on top. Let's get rid of that random piece of vinyl there first. Easier said than done. Oh, it's on the wrong side. There we go. There we are. Take two. Okay, I might just stand up for this. That in those curves. Looking very elegant. With a big reveal. A little bit in there, I need to tidy up, I can do that. This plate isn't dishwashable, but even if it was, I wouldn't be putting this in the dishwasher with the vinyl. There we go. What do you think, guys? I need to get rid of this bit, hopefully I can. They just sort of sneak up on you. I'll let you into a secret also. I've not got my glasses on. Literally can't see. But I'm really pleased with that. You can just burnish that in there. I think that is made a £2 plate. Very, very elegant. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more crafty videos from me. Do check out all of the Black Friday deals. If you're in the market for a Cricut, this is definitely going to be your week to grab that, or let your significant others know that there are deals to be had if they are going to treat you Christmas. But for now, bye bye. You have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.